Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to Coffee with the Crazy Wig Lady. We have not been together in a while. So I got up this morning and I thought, okay, it's a rainy day here, so you may hear some thunder and rain, but it's a perfect day to have a little chat. So let's do that. I'm excited to see you. I have some wigs to show you, some things to talk about my channel, some makeup to show you. So let's get started. Okay, first of all, I want to talk about this hair I'm wearing. This is Belle Tress. This one's Newport in Raw Sugar Blonde R. I've already reviewed this for my channel, so if you want to see the full review, just go to the search bar of my channel and put in Newport and you will see it. But isn't this a cute style? Now, Beachy Waves, you know, I was late to the game on Beachy Waves, but they're not going anywhere. They are making more and more of these, and I think because they work for so many face shapes. You know, this is a nice length, just a really beautiful curl pattern in here. Now, this has no permatease, and I think whatever they've done to make this hold its shape, good for them, because I can see how these waves, I've worn this so many times since I got it, it still holds its shape, but there is no permatease in this wig. I love it. I think it is super, super cute. So yeah, this one is called Newport, and again from the City Collection. So that's all. I thought we'd start out with that. Now let's look at some makeup. All right. First of all, I love Natasha Denona. Well, they came out with this Xenon palette. And it took me a while to decide if I wanted to buy this or not. At first, when I looked at it, I thought, not so sure. But then the more I thought about it and looked at it, I thought, I kind of really like that. So I got it. I have been using it. Now, I love gray shadows. And it's hard a lot of times for me to find really pretty cool gray shadows. And this one has that. And I wear this for filming a lot of times because it gives a really pretty smoky eye. But then they have some colors in here that tend to lean towards blue, like this one right here. They tend to lean towards blue a little bit. I like that also. But then there's some grays, there's some shimmers. Don't let anybody tell you can't wear shimmer eyeshadow. You can, you know, I don't care. I wear what I want. But you can definitely wear shimmer eyeshadows. So I like this. I think this is their holiday collection, and I believe that this is a limited edition. But if you're looking for something like that, have a look at Natasha Denona Xenon palette. It's really, really nice. All right, let's see. Now what I have on today. I have on the Dior, and this one is called Cool Neutrals. This is a nice palette. I've had it forever. Really pretty palette here. I think they did a lovely job on this. Like I said, I've had this for a long time, and when I wear pinks, I like to wear this palette. I'm assuming they still make it. It's the Dior Backstage, but this just is a really pretty palette, and when I wore it this morning, I thought I need to show y'all that. Okay, let's talk about, I need your opinion. Have you tried this Tress Tech Dual Leave-In Conditioner? Now, I've been trying it. I like it, I guess. I put it on, sprayed it on some wigs. It does seem to, they say it instantly tames frizz by adding softness, smoothness, and shine. Okay, I think that is true. It does add really some softness and smoothness. I guess it's supposed to condition. I don't know. Maybe I'm using it wrong. I just need it. It's okay. I'm on the fence with it. I'm not going to say, oh, it's the best thing I ever had, but I'm thinking maybe I'm doing something wrong. So if you have tried it, let me know. Now, what I do love, and I don't ever want to be without, is the Tressalure Wig Wax. You know, I talk about this all the time. I love it. I think it's great. I use it on everything. I just think it adds texture and movement, and it separates the fibers, and I love everything about it. Everything. I keep this, I have 3 or 4 cans of this, and I keep it around in different places because I don't want to be without that. I really don't. Okay, let's talk about another wig. Let me show you the inside of this cap. Now, on the 3 that I have of the City collection, all the caps have been the same. So I can't speak to the others because I've only had these 3. But they have an extended lace front, a deep mono part, open wefted, closed ear tabs with stays, and extended felt napes. Now, I found these to fit me just a little large. Not a big deal. I was easily able, oh, I was going to put on a different one. I was easily able to take them up. I didn't have a problem with it, but they did fit me a little large, and I wanted to make sure you knew that. Now, this one is called Santa Monica, and I think it's so, love it. So cute. Same cap. This color is Milkshake Blonde R. And again, it's just a little large, but oh my, I love this choppy, very blunt look. This reminds me of Leah 2. I know it's been compared to that already, but I just think this is adorable. So cute. Now, this one falls in my face a little, as you can see. So I am going to add some steam to it. Not a big deal, right? You can add some steam, put some hairspray on it, get it off your face. But I have found that this one does fall in my face a little, but I like it so much, I don't mind working on it a little bit. Okay, let's talk about some skincare. All right, now with skincare, you know, there's some things I can live with and live without, but this is something I don't want to live without if I can help it. This is the Biosense, and I've showed it to you before, but I'm going to show it to you again. The Squalene Copper Peptide Rapid Plumping Serum. Now, I love this product. You know, I have the driest skin in the world, my goodness. But this works so beautifully. I put it on morning and night. It is a very nice product. It helps so much with my dry skin. Oh my goodness. I really cannot say enough of how much I love this product. When I start to get low, I order another bottle. And I think, yes, it's pricey. I understand that. But in this case, I think it is worth the money. They also make the Biosense Squalene Amino Aloe Gentle Cleanser. I'm almost out. I need to repurchase this one too. And I just have to tell you, it is a very lovely cleanser. Like I said, I have dry skin. This does not feel like it strips my skin in any way. It just leaves it feeling really clean, but not stripped. So if you're looking for something like that, that is good. I really like these Biosense, and this is not sponsored by them or anything. I just really love their products. For my skin type, I have found that they work really well, and there's 2 more that I really like. I like the Squalene Vitamin C Rose Oil. I think it is lovely as well. I put this just on some of my really dry patches, which tends to be my forehead, and before my makeup, before I go to bed, I use that. And they have the Squalene Vitamin C Rose Moisturizer as well. And I find this works really well. I need to buy a new one, as you can see. That one has had it. So I do use it. I endorse it. I love it. And I'm telling you, if you have dry skin, you might want to try it. All right, moving on. What else do I have? I love under eye patches. That is the wind and rain. It is really storming here. Peter Thomas Roth has these hydrogel eye patches. I don't know if this will zoom in on that or not. I'm not sure, but I'll try. And these are wonderful. I use these almost every day. I think they really work well. They're this gold color, and they really help. All right, I had someone recently ask me again about how to get makeup off of her lace front. Now, I agree with that. I don't want to wash my wigs to death. I don't wash them that much. I try to wash them maybe every, what do they recommend, 6 to 8 wears? I probably don't even do it that much. Unless they are really, if it's in the summer and it's hot, that kind of thing, I wash them more often. But I try not to wash my wigs that much. I want to make them last as long as they can. But I understand you get makeup on those lace fronts and you need a way to get it off. I really enjoy these. I've used them for quite a while, and they work great just for that reason, I think. These Neutrogena makeup remover, I like these little individual packets. You can just throw one in your makeup bag, travel with them, and open it up, and gently, very, very gently, you can rub that makeup remover over your lace front, and it will take that makeup right off. I love those. I get them on Amazon, and they're inexpensive. Like I said, they travel. It's great. Lashes. Always being asked about my lashes I wear when I'm filming. I like these Ardell Wispies. They're called the Demi Wispies, and they work great. They're inexpensive. I get 6. There's 6 in this box. I wear them a few times and then I throw them away. So those are the ones I personally like. Now, let's talk about another wig. One more wig. This one I think is great. Again, I'm showing you all the ones I have from the City collection. This one is called Montecito, and the color is Caramel Blonde Rooted. Such a pretty color and style. This I did a video on this one where I compared it to Portrait Mode and Untold Story. It's very much that same kind of feel. Longer bob. These are new colors. They did a great job, in my opinion. Oops, I just dropped my comb. With these new colors on the City collection. So let me show you this one. This color is so pretty. It really is. In my review, I did a detailed color review of this so you can see it. But I just think they did a really, really nice job on the City collection. So I like this one. The last makeup thing I have, okay, Tom Ford. I know if I just say Tom Ford, everything Tom Ford is pricey, right? But there are some things I don't mind paying a little more for that I know are quality. I really enjoy Tom Ford lipsticks. This one is number 22, Forbidden Pink. It works really well with my skin tone. Let me see if I can show you this at all. Let me see if you can see that. It's so pretty. It is such a wearable pink. I need to buy another one. As you see, I've really been using this one. But yes, it's expensive, but yes, it lasts. The color is gorgeous. I just feel like the formula is nice. Again, with my dry skin, my lips are dry, everything. This is moisturizing. It lasts. It's a beautiful lipstick if you're looking for something like that. Okay. I guess that's about all I have there. Now, I want to just talk quickly about some changes that you might see or notice to my channel. You know, I review for Wig Studio One, so I'm going to be doing some exclusive content for them that will be just seen on their channel, on the Wig Studio One YouTube channel. I will also be doing some exclusive content for them that will be seen only here on my channel. So that's very exciting for me this year. So you will see, you're still going to see all the same things like this, Coffee with the Crazy Wig Lady, 10 wigs in 10 minutes, all of the things I normally do. I'll still be doing those, but I will be adding some videos that are really exclusive for Wig Studio One, wig reviews, focusing on wigs that you won't see on their channel. You'll just see here. So stay tuned for that. Lots of fun things coming up this year, I hope. And I want you to stay with me. Thank you for joining me, for always being here and watching my reviews, and leave me some good comments. Let's talk about these products. Again, tell me what you've tried. What do you want to try? What do you like? What you don't? I want to hear all about it. Thanks again for joining me, and I will see you next time.